Hey there, Sunshine. So tonight I'm unboxing a super duper exciting box here in my hands. I have the Confetti Collection box, and the last time that I unboxed this box I was so excited, and I literally cannot wait to see what's inside of this box. This box has been sitting in my room for like a week now, and I'm like, oh my gosh, I need time to film. So this is the first box that we're unboxing, and I'm so excited. So I don't remember anything about pricing. I am so bad with that. But if you're curious to learn more about it, I have links and everything in the description down below. So if you want to know, just go look at the description box down below. And with that said, let's get started. Oh my goodness, I am so excited. Okay, so we got some bubble wrap. The bubble wrap is so fun. Okay, so we have snakes. We have iridescent snakes. I see a cup in here. Is this a mug? Oh my gosh, this is a mug for me. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's so cute. Okay. Heck yes. Look how cute this mug is. Oh my gosh. It's tin. It is metal. It is whatever metal. I don't know, but it's so cute. It's not glass. It's not ceramic. That is so cute. It's so like folksy. I love it. It makes me want to go like build my dream farm. Like my dream with my boyfriend is like we're going to get married. We're going to have a farm. We're going to have rescue animals. That is my dream with him, and I'm so excited to make that come true. And this just feels like makes me want to go chase after that dream right now. Look how cute this is. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna rip off the card. Look how cute this is. Oh my goodness gracious, I am so excited. I'm just gonna rip off the plastic. Okay, last month I received a couple of like customize the color stationery items, and this box, it's like it's really stationary. So the first thing that I've received is this pink ribbon, which is so exciting. I've also received these so cute. Oh my gosh, they're butterfly sticky notes. Like we have a big mommy butterfly, and then we have all of the little baby butterflies. So, oh, there we go. There's big mommy butterfly. And she comes in multiple colors. And then we have all the little baby butterflies. That is so cute. Okay, the next thing that I'm pulling out are some matching bows for the ribbon that I just pulled out. I also have a giant notebook with like, oh my gosh, look, you can color it. Oh my gosh, and it's a butterfly. Color Me coloring notepad. Oh my gosh. Okay, so here's the notepad. You can color this. This is just like a hard cardboard. You can also color the back. And then here, like the inside, this is what the inside looks like. That is so cute. Oh my gosh. This is totally gonna come in handy. I really needed a new notepad. Okay, I also received these guest dinner napkins to match the mug that I just showed you guys. These are so cute. And then here, ooh, we have this list notebook. It says lists, and then there's this cute little detailing on the bottom, and then unstick that. Oh my gosh, and it's just like plain list. But I love this. This makes it feel like not messy. This makes it feel organized for me. I love that. This is my favorite thing in here, like legit. Like I love this so much. And then you can just flip through all of the lists and everything. I love that. And there's a little magnetic closure. Favorite thing in here. And then the last thing that I received is this little heart-shaped floral gift bag. I think this box is so incredibly cute for people who are like obsessed with stationery. I really like the little like the ribbon and the gift bags that I've been receiving, because it makes it really easy for people like, oh well, you have an event, or like I need to send you with a present, or I need to give you a present. It's just like all right there ready for me to just like wrap ribbon, make it cute, put it in a cute gift bag, good. And then I love the cute little stationery that we're getting, that we can like customize it and color it. Again, my only complaint, like I really hope that soon we get like a set of coloring pencils or super fun markers or super fun pens or crayons to like color everything in. That is what I feel like is missing from this box. But I really honestly, my favorite thing in here is that I love both notebooks. The notebooks are so cute, and I also really love how the print on the napkins matches the print on the mug. That's everything that I received in my Confetti Collection box. What did you guys think of this box? Did you like last month's box or this month's box better? I can't wait to hear what your thoughts are in the comment section down below. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video.